Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2016 Subaru Outback. Changing the engine air filter is no problem, as you only have to disengage a few fasteners for access to the filter. These fasteners are easy to disengage. The headlight is easy to access, as you only have to reach behind the housing for access to the bulb. The engine coolant reservoir is easily visible in the engine bay. This will allow you to check and replenish the fluid level on a regular basis. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. You will have to remove the entire glove box housing for access to the cabin air filter. Other models will include an access panel in the rear of the glove box instead. To access the fog light on this vehicle, you will have to remove a few rivets and a panel. Other models won't require tools for this repair. You will need many tools to remove the taillight housing to access the taillights. The tools necessary may not be readily available for repair. Overall, the 2016 Subaru Outback is a moderately easy vehicle to maintain and a good choice for the average vehicle owner.